Hey, what's up internet? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Altekla if you don't already know. And today we are making an entire outfit from scratch. Let's just jump right into the video agad-agad. Let's start. So I asked on my Instagram what I should make kasi wala din ako idea kung anong mga isusuot ko. And a friend of mine suggested na magsuot ako yung mga flared pants. So I sketched my design. I mean, it's not really that original kasi medyo on trend nga naman yung flare pants. I thought why not make an entire outfit? Wag lang yung pants yung gawin ko. So I sketched out this top design. I really don't know what it is. I don't really know what kind of top it is. It just happened to be what I drew that day. And I have a lot of options for the back. Along the way, I'll decide kung anong back yung gagawin ko kasi I really don't know which one I choose. But yeah, they like it. I'm not that good at drawing or anything, pero it looks nice naman. But yeah, this is my sketch. And that's what we're gonna do. So, I'm going to make the pants, the top, and mask, and headband kung meron pa. Kasi I got 2 yards of fabric from Shopee. Pretty color. It's a cotton spandex. I'll link it down below if you want it. Meron tayong bagong segment. It's nails of the day. Da 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 da! So, I realized kasi na sa mga sewing videos ko, you only pretty much look at my hands. So, ito yung first time ko mag-try ng fake nails. And it's a little wonky, but it's nice. I got it from Shopee for only I think 39 pesos for 24 pieces. I'll link it down below there. But yeah, nails of the day. Da-da-da-da. Okay, start na talaga tayo. Totoo na. This is what we'll work with. It's very big. 2 yards is very big. I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna do it. I made some patterns by cloning. Basically cloning the outfit that I already have. I already have denim flared na pants. So I traced that garment onto my paper. Scratch paper pa. Old reviewer ko yung ginamit kong pattern paper. Hindi ako gumagamit ng actual pattern paper. But yeah, I basically traced around it. Parang kinloan ko lang yung measurements ko doon and I made some adjustments. So that's how I made the pattern for my flared pants.
The next thing we're gonna do is cut out the pattern. I'm just gonna lay it out onto the fabric, and don't mind me, I don't have pattern weights, so I'm just using whatever. I'm just using my rotary cutter and cutting along the pattern. I just laid on top of the fabric the piece that I already cut out to make sure that it's even. Clip 2 pieces together to make one leg and we'll sew the outer seam. This time, we'll sew the inner seam together and make sure to leave the crotch area open. Flip it inside out so you can see, and trust me, in real life it does not look that different, so I didn't even realize I used not the same side for both, so that's a fail.
I don't know how I'm gonna show it, but one leg is done. That is such a weird way to show it, but only one leg is done. It's been 2.5 hours.
While editing ko lang napansin na hindi pala same ng color, hindi same ng size yung nagamit ko. I didn't realize in real life hindi talaga halata.
It's a little like smaller than what I wanted to be. Yung flare niya, okay na din. Siguro next time gagawin ko, mas malaki na lang. But yeah, I already made the necessary adjustments and alam ko na kung ano gagawin ko. Okay, I'll show you tomorrow.
It's the next day and we'll just do the same to the other leg. We'll sew the outer seam first and then the inner seam. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sew the 2 leg pieces together. Make sure to sew the front piece of the crotch area together and the back piece of the crotch area together. Just, it's kind of confusing. But that's what we're doing here, and make sure that the pieces are completely aligned. This is what it's supposed to look like when you clip the right pieces together. Next, we're gonna make a waistband. Just make sure that the width is the same as the width of the waist of the pants and the length is just according to the length of the elastic. My thread always gets loose, so can you send tips? I don't know what's happening. We are almost done. I'm just gonna be inserting a elastic to the waistband. Sew the ends of the elastic together and shut off the open slots, and we are done. We are done with the pants, and for my first time making pants, these are not so bad. I mean, it could be better, but they're not bad for my actual first time. I styled it with my black Breton hat, I think that's what it's called, and my white ruched crop top, and I got this really cute heart waist chain, I think it's cool, and brown baguette bag and black sandals. I even layered on this yellow corduroy jacket just for a little bit more coverage and just for a little bit more something. Stay tuned for part 2 to see how I sewed the rest of the outfit.